Hi, I'm Jordan with Delavan Fluid Power, and today we're going to talk about cycling on a common sprayer, wand, and boom system. Your Delavan pump on the top, and you got your wand system, and down here you got your boom on the back of an ATV. On the top of a typical sprayer system, you'll have your Delavan Fluid Power pump, and you'll have 3 valves, one going to the boom, one going to the bypass, and one going through the wand. If you don't have a bypass valve on there, Delavan recommends that you install one. If you don't have one for the bypass, cycling can happen. And this is what cycling looks like. Now you see that fluctuation of pressure, that's what's called cycling. And to combat cycling, you want to open up your bypass valve. Open it up slowly until you get an even amount of pressure. So you can see right now, we've got an even amount of pressure coming through the pump. That showed you how to combat cycling on your boom and wand sprayer system. Remember, if you don't have a bypass set in there, we recommend you putting in a bypass valve. One thing to keep in mind, if you have a 2 gallon per minute pump on your system, you can't change it to a 5 gallon or a 7 gallon per minute pump without also changing the hoses and the nozzles. Often these sprayer systems will be set up on the back of an ATV. When you want to check the voltage coming off the battery, you want to check it at the closest spot to the pump. The longer the lead, the less power you're going to get. So when you can, keep your wires short. Unhook the pump as close as I can to the battery, and when I check it, I want it to be somewhere in the range of 12 to 13. You see, we're getting 12.7 volts right here. So that was our video on how to combat cycling on your Delavan Fluid Power pump. One thing to know about cycling is putting too much flow to your sprayer systems that they can't handle it. So you want to open up your bypass to combat that cycling.